Actually, I want to first present myself. I'm new to this. I'm actually a lawyer, not an engineer. But for the past year, I've been a PhD student in industrial management, as I'm being very concerned about artificial intelligence. And the idea behind the research I'm doing is how can we integrate artificial intelligence in large industrial portfolios. And when I heard about this conference and linking it to the idea that I want to become an inventor, just weeks ago I submitted my first patent request at the National Patent Office, but there is no time to talk about that today. I'm going to talk about integrating artificial intelligence in nanomaterials science. The idea behind this is, of course, every time I start studying something new, I ask all of my artificial intelligence agents that I work with, starting from Gemini to ChatGPT or Copilot from Microsoft, where should I start my research? And all of the pictures you will see today in my presentation are created with artificial intelligence, and all of the ideas behind my research study are linked and challenged by artificial intelligence. Whenever I write the paper, I ask all of the databases via the use of artificial intelligence if anybody has written about it. So the idea is, when researching nanomaterials, we can find that using artificial intelligence is at the nexus of a paradigm shift. The discovery and application of new materials is very important. It's scale dependent. No matter how good electron microscopes become, nobody can see as better as computer vision. Nowadays, large language models can oversee thousands upon millions of photographs in an instant and determine all of the changes to the nanomaterials created. It has applications, of course, in health, electronics, and environmental science. The idea of advancements in machine learning is that we have been talking about artificial intelligence, let's say, from the 1950s, since Alan Turing first postulated the idea that one day maybe we will create real, true artificial or artificial general intelligence. The idea is that we can use it today with computer vision to examine all of the results of our data, submit to it all of the open science that already exists, and it can give us back results on where should our research go further. And it has the power of using characterization techniques like electron microscopy and spectroscopy. Again, I'm not saying that tomorrow it will change all of the engineers and engineers will go away, but I'm saying it can do things faster and better than a person can, because it's changing the idea of radiology in medicine, it's changing the idea of lawyers, it's changing everything because it can do it at a larger scale. I talked about the social and technical attributes and the guiding principles because part of my research is about ethics and risks of using artificial intelligence. I'm not going to take the ideas yet again. Only the problem that exists is that all the open data submitted to it is going to be subject to bias. Artificial intelligence